Are you? Because your eyes are covered by your glasses.
No, not that, because she and I are friends, bro.
So even I am friends.
We'll come back.
Quickly change and come. You have to get Mendi.
Because it was early 8 in the morning and she was just going to office and she's like, Preeti, I have some news for you. And then I was like, yeah. And he's like, so I'm seeing this, guy. And he's like, you know him. And I'm like, Bala. So it was a shock. But then when I saw them after a couple of years, because it was a pandemic and after that I got to see them together, it was just like jigsaw puzzle. I mean, they were so comfortable with each other. I never could imagine that they could have that chemistry going,
So when did you guys know about Ramya?
Today. We came thinking somebody else. Our gifts had someone else's name on it. Come on. No, but I... Considering Bala. Bro, he said we'll have 10 kids for our wedding.
Yeah, and then he said, let's be reasonable, one badminton team and one football team.
Yeah.
That was his choice.
You have to get. If you get, you'll get married quickly. The face eater said you're not going to get married.
Always in our hearts, Kanika.
Sena, tell Bala to get my name written on his hand.
No, why should I let him do it? Already my brother had to convince him to marry me.
There is, dude, just join.
I never told you this. You have to dance at my wedding. You do Bijli Bijli solo.
He's flirting, we used to date each other in college, I don't like him, etc. But yeah, they ended, and yeah, it's happened fairly fast, very soon. And it was good.
Ramya went to Jindal with us, but we didn't know Ramya at all. Like, neither of us knew Ramya then. But then eventually she started dating Bala, and then we started hanging out a little bit more, and then she came to Colombia with us.
And then we were in New York together.
Yeah.
And we basically enjoyed a completely new city together. We
lived
fun
together.
Yeah, we kind of lived together.
Yeah.
I mean, we did live together, and it was the most amazing time.
No, but I always thought if she ever had to be with someone, it had to be someone who would let her be who she is. I think that's very important. Like today's version of Bala is exactly that for her.
So tight,
How do
No,
you
it's loose again.
wait, Ramya? Loose.
It's loose, but
Wait. Be patient, please.
It took us some time to digest that the guys got together in the first place because they were also not very friendly in class. Hi. But that's how Ramya took care of everything, and Bala's sweet. Bala's a very chill
Bala's
guy.
very laid back,
Very
yeah.
chill, and Ramya is ensuring everybody's having a good time. And I'm like, oh,
She's
this
super
works.
type A.
Yeah.
Bala is like very type B, type C even. And Ramya is very, very type A.
Whoa. Unnecessary.
You unnecessary.
Stupid.
You stupid.
Bala just doesn't care, and Ramya cares too much. I mean,
They balance each other out.
each other out.
Yeah.
I'm not happy. We
Yeah.
have to say this. It's a
Yeah.
good video.
Yeah, yeah. For Bala's parents, they're so cute. Yeah.
In these 2 days, we are also learning the little bit Tamil.
మళ్ళీ ఇస్తారు ఎట్లా అయితే కాళ్ళు పాదాలకు అక్కర్లేదు కింద.
When Bala and I started dating, I wasn't looking to date at all. I don't know if it makes sense, but he was just very different from me, but still very similar to me. Like, I think our core values, our foundation, the way we think, the way we were raised is very similar. But the way he deals with things and the way I deal with things is very different.
నేను కాశీయాత్రని విరమించి వివాహ గృహస్థాశ్రమాన్ని స్వీకరిస్తున్నాను.
So they all convinced you, and now you accepted to stay, and then you go to Kashi later. Okay,
it's very easy. Everyone understands.
I think we're very compatible in the sense of we're very different people, but what we don't have is what the other person has.
I think that's what made this into a relationship as opposed to a friendship. Bye, oh my, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Keep it. He's a secret type, eh? He acts very chill, this, that, but about certain things he's very particular. And he wants it the way he wants it, like his space, his time, who he wants to spend it with is very important to him. So, I mean, I'm sure people don't see that side of him, but now that I know him, I know that much.
See, I'm a very, to a bad extent, I'm very logical. Like, if you tell me like with logic, I'll be like, okay. But if you tell with emotion, I'll be like, okay, cut the bullshit, let's just get to the point type of situation. But I feel like she can balance the two very well.
What Bala needs in a partner is, I think, somebody who can just chill with him. It's like a sleepover every single night in the house. You order food or you watch a movie and life's good. Like, however hard a day you may be having, in the entire day, by the evening it's all forgotten. You just watch a show and you're good.
Thank you for giving the daughter to us. We are taking lots of happiness. Love you, darling.
And sometime in this basket. Yeah. Oh, my brothers and cousins.
हो गया. What are we doing an exchange? Are you in your basket?
Yeah. You didn't see me coming or what?
Yeah, I'm not supposed to see it.
Show me your head. it's not that it happened always. It's not what happened inevitably when we first started dating. He's just took the time and the effort to understand what I need in different situations, and that's how he shows love. That's Bala's love language.
If you hold me like this, you could either give birth to a boy or to a girl.
I think Ramya really lets Bala do what, like, they're really tolerant, both of them, so they really give each other space to do whatever they want. If one of them doesn't want to go out and the other one wants, they're like, okay, you just do your thing. They're very like loving and warm-hearted towards each other, which I think is very beautiful.
Do you see the sun?
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
You have to say you have the sun next to you.
I have the sun next to me.
Really the best. A lot of health, happiness, success.
All the happiness, I guess.
Just all the togetherness that they have for that to grow, and love, happiness, laughter, joy and life experiences together.
A lifetime of happiness and just them being as they are and growing together, and I just want them to be how they are right now, to be completely happy and be in love, and that's all I wish for them.
It's not for me, the least like they can do is make me comfortable. I'm comfortable only in non-goal stuff.
Will you keep my phone as well?
I have it all. How many will you have? Joy Alukas.
Sure.
You can tell you loss of.
I think what was surprising was how much the parents liked each other. So when I told Bala, my parents, that I started dating Bala, they were not in Bombay, right? They were in Hyderabad. So obviously everything that they're hearing about him is from me, and it's really a testament to them that they trusted me enough to like the first time they'd met Bala actually was after our engagement. When the families met each other for the first time, they realized how similar they are. Yeah, like they're quite traditional, but they've made an active effort to evolve with their children. See, this your mom wore at her own reception. This is the necklace I went back for.
That's sweet.
Yeah, tell her.
You tell her.
No, you tell her. She'll recognize also. You tell her also. This also I will. You also look very nice.
Yeah, you also looking good.
Very good.
All of you looking good. This just works somehow, doesn't it? Like a shirt.
Yeah,
with
the
that.
shirt with that works. But remove your glasses. It's too open in the front. See, they're all nicely putting buttons. Put button. Yeah. Very nice. Now you look
Now you look like a.
traditional boy.
You don't look like a hoe, basically.
Ouch. Ouch. Bala did hold that one back.
You'll be able to go?
Yeah, just walk with me.
Yeah, you go one by one. I'll come follow you.
Why are they doing this?
I quit.
No, if if elders come, you touch their feet and say whatever.
Let me know, okay? Whoever's feet I have to touch, I'll do it.
I don't know also.
so much.
Wish you all
thank
the
you
very
so
best.
much. Thank you so much,
Looking
Auntie.
beautiful.
No, thank you, Auntie.
Small gift.
Oh, thank you so much,
It's,
Auntie.
Very among the Mallus, we use it for all auspicious occasions.
Thank you so much, Auntie. Thank you.
It's like your tamulam.
I understand.
With all the 8 things that
Yeah,
we have.
yeah.
So I hope you like it.
He's running away.
Hello. I don't know because you love me.
Rise up from the dead, the land of the living, no rest for the wicked. We working on the weekend. We can. Bangs out, we spooky like the boogeyman. Sharp dress killer, star of the thriller. Back King Kong, big as a gorilla. Combat boots, you know we willa. Sweeping you out with a just Cinderella. We gonna keep moving. We gonna keep moving. Get busy. Get busy. Woo. Get busy. Monsters never sleep. We driven like a villain. They be counting sheep. I'ma go keep it chillin'. G-O-A-T, not D-O-A. Please, your B-O-A stinks. You get a white creep. Sharp dress killer. Star of the